में। और इस चीज़ के बारे में अभी तक कहाँ तक तुम्हारी अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो चुकी है? अगर तुम इसका एक सिंपल डेफिनेशन दे सकते हो एक लाइन में, सो आई वुड जस्ट अप्रिशिएट इट इफ यू गाइस जस्ट ड्रॉप अ single line on the chat about what is user interface and what is user experience from your point of view. So guys, could you just drop a few line of understanding what you guys actually know about UI or UX? अगर नहीं मालूम है then you could just drop कि अभी तक कुछ समझे नहीं इस चीज़ के बारे में। So उस point of view से मैं तुम लोगों को समझाना start कर सकता हूँ। So क्या मैं पूछ सकता हूँ एक्चुअली जितने लोग हैं यहाँ इस सेशन में
Aka,
राइट नाउ?
Abhishek
यस।
is the people in these meetings are almost like from the south, so you have to speak in English. Hindi
ऑलराइट।
the understanding.
श्योर श्योर।
Yeah.
So yeah, someone has mentioned user
The experience
experience
is
is
the end of
the
the end journey a person has the product. It focuses on the usability and functionality and desirability. Yeah, that is right. She's Shruti. Oh. Okay.
yes, yes, Shruti is absolutely right. And the second thing, you guys actually think how AI could get involved in the user interface or user experience design and build up journey? And do you guys have any point of view how this AI revolution is coming into this particular game? Or you guys are just unaware how AI is actually happening and revolving around this user interface or design or the development industry?
So everyone listen. So this meeting will be in a what do you say? Uh, like 1 hour of spam of time. So I will be sharing the Zoom meeting again at 8 o'clock. Okay. The same way I'm gonna share like so you have to join that particular meeting also. I'm gonna like share it on the WhatsApp that I've shared it. So remember you have to join with that. It will be ended at 8 o'clock and again it will be starting at 8 o'clock. Okay. Right now, what we are focusing on, just give me 1 second. Right now we are focusing on to how to make a particular website or UI design using what is a fundamental AIs. Okay, we're gonna learn about many tools with Abhishek, and basically just wanted to showcase you that how you can design, you can actually make a real-time product. Okay, using this all these free tools. So that is one of the things that we're gonna do today, and just I want you to like be with the laptops, okay? Please do not like if you're joined with the phones and all, please leave the meeting and join with the laptop. Do the things properly when he is doing, okay? So like you should not have any kind of issues with that. Okay? Uh, this recordings will be only available for the April batch. Okay. So for Feb and March batch, it won't be available. So please, if you want, you can record by yourself. There is an option on the record section. I think in your Zoom meeting, there is an option record on my computer. So what you can do, you can record on my computer. You can click on it. I can allow that. Can you see that option record on my computer? Hello. So you can do that. Okay, if you want.
Sir, we can't record it, sir. It's a host setting.
What are you saying?
We can't record, sir. That option is not coming.
I have given the. I think. Is it coming now? Request to record to computer. Oh, request host to. It's already getting recorded. Huh. Now is it coming?
No, sir.
Is it? So let it be. Screen record kar lo. Either it will be available on the YouTube. I'll share you it. I'll share you the link where it is getting recorded. Take a second. You can keep this link with you. See?
Yeah.
Abhishek, can you like tell me how much time it will like?
Yes, Rahul, it would take around 2-3 minutes, not more than that. Before that, I would just like to talk to the people how exactly we will be going throughout the session.
Okay, understood. ठीक है.
So yeah, guys, as Shruti has already said that AI can generate prompt images, and also we could design few of the user interface using AI. So have you guys, any of the people who are in this meeting right now, almost 20, more than 20 people are there right now. Have you guys ever built any kind of user interface or a web application, website, or any kind of application by using AI tools or these vibe coding tools, which are just very trending these days, where we just put a particular prompt with all the color psychology that we need right now, and we just enter that particular thing in a particular prompt, and we just expect AI model to just give
Sir,
that particular code to generate that particular user
yesterday video
interface
link,
and user
sir.
experience. So is there anyone who just ex- uh, experimented out this particular thing using any kind of AI tools? And if you guys are familiar with any kind of AI tools that you guys might have used anytime, or if you guys haven't used it, I'll be showing it to you right away, and also it would be a kind of hands-on stuff. So you guys have to do it with me so that you get the whole psychology and whole procedure, how that particular thing works, how we have to set the color scheme, how we could replicate a particular design psychology in our websites and application. And yeah, we will be using the anti-gravity tool. Anti-gravity, if you have this IDE, basically the code editor in your laptop right now, it would be even better. Or else I will give you a few of the alternatives. So any of you might have heard about the Lovable, Replit, or Emergent, such platforms to build websites or applications. Have anyone heard about them? If yes, then you could just give a thumbs up so I could just understand you guys have already used this particular vibe coding or agentic AI coding tools. Okay, you
Hello,
guys
sir.
haven't used it, right?
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, I'm and I not have a laptop.
All right,
Uh,
no worries. So listen,
Figma
do
is
one thing.
working in mobile
You
phone.
just, yeah, no worries. You will be able to do it on mobile phone as well. But the thing is, I would say, see what I'm doing right now, how I'm executing. So it would be better if you just remember or take a note somewhere that you will do the same steps and build anything afterwards. Just keep a note what I'm doing right now, and you could even do it on your phone as well. So yeah, just set an experiment out and make sure you keep a note, whatever would be happening in this session right now. So you will get an idea how exactly we are building that particular user interface and turning it into an actual website to have a user experience. So yeah,
Okay, sir. How to use in mobile phone, sir? I'm tried but not working in mobile phone.
you are saying that these vibe coding platforms are not working on mobile phone, right?
Yeah, sir.
It works, right? You just have to figure out how small scale vibe coded product you are actually making, because you can't expect to build a full stack application or some kind of heavy backend stuff on phone itself, but you can still build a basic user interface, basic website by using few of the tools which are freely available on the internet, and most of them are just given by the Google. So, yeah, I will just tell you how exactly the things would be going, and it would be easy for you guys to understand as well. It won't be complicated. Just keep the notes of the tools which I am using right now, and what exactly your step-by-step execution would be if you're planning to build a user interface or a user experience, whole end-to-end experience stuff.
Sir, give a website for using mobile phone. Website name.
Yes, yes, yes. I'll be telling. As I already said, I will mention all the tools which I'll be using right now. So yeah,
Okay, sir.
just a while. I'll just share the tools which you could use on phone and laptop and anything that you have right now.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So yeah, any of the people in this meeting knows about the Claude design. It was very trending all over the social media. It was like how the design industry is taking a new revolution towards the designing, because there was a time when people used to sit and create the user interface on Figma or some kind of Photoshop or any kind of thing. Like people used to spend a lot of time designing that particular thing on these kind of designing software. But as soon as the Claude design came into the game, everything just blew it up. Because people who are actually into the design. So yeah, I'll be sharing my screen right now so that you guys could see how exactly we could start designing a particular user interface. I hope my screen is visible to you guys. What you have to do right now is, if you have a laptop or if you don't have a laptop right now, so you just follow all the steps which I'm doing right now. The very first thing you have to search Google AI Studio. What is Google AI Studio? It is a master AI tool, AI lab you could expect. Like you could expect all the things which you could do related to AI design development. This is the layer one tool that gives an overview how these things actually work. Because we could just expect this is the thing. If you are just starting out how AI could design, how AI could code for you or create websites, applications, then this would be the best free tool that would be available for you right now. So what you have to do, like what are the step-by-step execution that you have to follow from step one to this development step? I hope who all have a who all have a laptop could just do this thing with me right now. And who don't have a laptop or any kind of desirable device at this moment, they could just keep a note what steps I am following right now. And according to that basis, we could just build this website out. So right now, what we will be doing is we will be making a personal portfolio website. What is portfolio website? Portfolio website is basically a website that will keep your information just like a digital resume of yourself. It would be a digital CV of yourself. So now we will just get a portfolio for you. For portfolio, we will do two of the things. First, we will get the inspiration.
The
Inspiration
voice
is
not
basically,
clear, sir.
uh, is anyone saying
Voice
something?
breaking. Hello, sir.
My voice is not clear. Just a while. I just make sure it is clear. Just a while. So hello. I hope my voice is audible right now. Can anyone give a thumbs up so I could just go further? I'm expecting that my voice is getting delivered perfectly from my side to you. It's still not clear. Can anyone this also confirm it? Because I feel network from my side is absolutely good. Maybe there might be some kind of network issues. Once you start sharing, it breaks. Okay. Once I start sharing the screen, it breaks. Just a second, guys. I'll just cross check while this Zoom thing is happening. Hello, hello. I just connected my mic right now, and I believe this time it would be absolutely clear. I just need one confirmation text. Not yet. So guys, listen, do one thing. Like, I won't be speaking much. Like, I will just show it everything on my screen. Do one thing, just focus on what actually I'm doing right now. And eventually you will automatically understand how the steps would be taken in order to create a simple website for yourself as a digital portfolio. So yeah, we will be creating a portfolio for yourself. So I'll just type it out so that if many of the people are not able to hear me, they will just read and get what exactly we are trying to do right now. So yeah, before setting up everything, there are few stages like we have to follow. The very first thing is ideation. How we ideate a particular idea, how we could take reference. If you are very good at designing, you have very good knowledge of design, you have very good knowledge of what I'll do is I'll just stop sharing as soon as I start speaking, so it would be clear to you guys what actually I'm doing. So yeah, I was just saying, if you are very good at designing, you know all the color psychology and each and everything, then it would be easier for you initially to ideate the designing process. And if you don't have that appropriate knowledge initially to create some cool designs, what you guys could simply do is get reference and copy the best design which is available at the internet. That would be the best thing that you guys could do. There are several websites like Dribble, Print. You guys might be knowing about the Printest because you guys are young, and I believe Printest is the most well-known website that you might be went through any point of time in your life, because that's a very famous thing. So yeah, what we could do is we will simply go on print test. We will go on print test. If anyone is noting this down, then do note it. We will go on print test. After that, we will do one thing. We will get the screenshot of that particular design which you feel that is appropriate according to your personality, what color psychology you feel that is appropriate according to you, because the portfolio website which we are making right now is a digital personality and digital resume, or we could say digital CV of yourself. So it would be like you could just screenshot or download the design inspirations which basically associates with you. So I'll just share my screen. So yeah, now we will search it out. Printest. On Printest is the most trending websites if anyone is taking any kind of image or visual inspirations. If you guys are into taking visually inspirations regarding designs and those stuff, then this is the most famous website that you guys could use. Am I audible right now? Because I feel still my voice is breaking. All right, thank you, Karthik. We will just get on this again. So yeah, I hope you guys might have ever heard about the print test. It is basically a visual inspirational website or a platform where most of the people upload their designs, photos. So I would say this would be the most famous and easy example to get the design inspiration for our website or portfolio which we'll be making right now. So yeah, as this loads, until then we will what we will do is we will totally dedicate all the designing and user experience to be done with the help of AI. Like we will try our best that we will plan things smartly and execute it even faster with the help of AI, so that it would be easier for us not to just sit and actually ideate the whole thing, because that particular thing, if we actually do it traditionally, it takes a lot of time. So yeah, that's what we will be doing right now. Why this print test is not working? So yeah, I will just show you the websites from where you could get design inspiration. The very first one and the famous one is the Printest, and the second one is Dribble. You could simply search Dribble design. What is this actually? People take design inspirations from this particular website. So like you could see so many user interface animations and all these similar kind of things are